How to fix login error Doordash. So first is you have to go to your Doordash application, and if you'll try to open it or log in your account, then there is an error going on. All you have to do is to go to your settings here and then go to your Doordash application. Just find Doordash there. And then here you will see background app refresh. So all you have to do is to refresh that application and go back and go back to the application and then log in your account. Now, if it's still not working, then I recommend you to use a much faster data or much faster internet connection for you to log in. Now, if it's still not working, all you have to do is to go to your app store and then search here Doordash. As you can see, it needs to be updated. All you have to do is to just tap on update there and wait for it to be updated, and now basically it will actually log in there. Now if it's still not working, you can actually uninstall the application and install it again. And if it's still not working, then there might be a problem with the application, and the DoorDash community is actually fixing the problem. And basically, that is how you fix login error on DoorDash. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.